Good morning, scholars. I hope that you have had time to spend with your family and to get some of that important reading done. Today, we're going to have a quick review lesson on how to show that a group of tens is the same as 10 ones. Remember, we did that a little while ago, so I thought it was time for us to review it. Remember, we called a group of tens, we call that a rod. So let's go make one. I hope you have some pennies or something that you can use to count, or else you can just draw sticks on your or circles on your paper. So let's draw 10. I'm going to make 10 circles, and I'm going to do them in a group that looks like a 10 frame. I have one set of 10. Go ahead and draw a circle around your set of 10. We know that we called that a rod. You may remember using a rod that we made from beans like this, and it had 10 beans on it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ran out of room. Go ahead and draw a set of 10, either in a set like a 10 frame or in a set of 10s. And remember, we called all the loose shapes that did not equal up to 10, we called them units. We're going to review today that if I have units over here and I have more than 10, or actually at least 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I can group those together and make one set of 10. And I'm just going to draw a rod like this without having to draw all the units in it. You'll recall that one set of 10 equals to one rod. Well, now let's see what happens if we have one rod and 3 ones. What number would that make? Go ahead and write it on your paper. This would be 10 over here, and we added 3 ones over here. Now let's go ahead and make our number bond. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 1 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place. I think we all can remember how to do that. Let's see what happens if we have 14 units. Let's just draw circles, squares, or sticks, whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is my unit side, or my one side. Oops. Can I make a set of 10 out of here? Let me try it. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. I have more than 10 in my ones column, or my unit side. So I'm going to circle 10 of them, and I'm going to make one rod. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to draw a circle around them. You do the same thing on your paper. And I'm going to move them over here and make one rod. So how many's in here? That's correct. There are 10 units in here. But something happened over here. I have some left over. How many are left over? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 left over. So now it's telling me I have one set of 10 and I have 3 left over. That makes the number, ran out of room here, sorry about that, guys. That makes the number 13, just like our example showed us over here. We have 10 plus 3, I'm going to make my number bond again, that equals 13. All right, I'm going to go get a sheet of paper, while you pull out another sheet of paper and get some more counters, and you'll have a chance to look at my house, see what I do. I paint and I make all kinds of things while I'm at home, just like we have art class on Tuesdays, Mondays when we're in school. Should have had this ready, but you know how I am. Y'all tell me I forget things because I'm old. Sometimes you're right, but I'm learning how to do this homeschooling just like you are. Okay, let's try another example. Here we go. This time I'm going to draw 6 rods. Go ahead and draw 6 rods on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to draw a line between them just like we did in school, and I'm going to put 7 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how many we have all together. We know it was very important to learn how to count by 10, so let's do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I have 60 over here, and let's see how many units I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 units over here. If I make my number bond, I have 60 plus 7 equals 67. That is very good. Let's try another example. This time I'm only going to have units. Let's try, draw on your paper 17 units. Man, that's a big number. Takes a little while to draw it. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Such a big number. All right, we have 17 units on this side. Let's see if we can count out a set of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I sure can. So I'm going to move that over here and make one set of 10, which is equal to 10. How many do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Now I can make my number bond. 10 plus 7 equals 17. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be sure to answer them. Have a great